Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it, and here let's scroll down to enter the system. As you can see, here we've got the system update section and we've got the information that it has been updated to Android 13. We can tap on it and as you can see, your device will check whether your system is up to date. If it is, you will have this information that your system is up to date. If it is not, then your device will simply show you the notification and will inform you that you've got the update available. Of course, you can tap on check update again. And again, your device will show you the information about the update. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to check for the system updates. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.